welcome back to my channel. If you are new here and you missed the first episode of our Eyeshadow School series, check that out below. Today is going to be our first actual eyeshadow look. Hopefully you can even see a difference in my eyes. I'm gonna show you guys the very basic first one. So keep watching if you wanna see these techniques to help you go to pro. And let's go ahead and just get started. Okay, so if you missed the last video, it was all about priming the eye. So I've already done that. I went ahead and used my go-to eyeshadow primer and applied my setting powder over it so I have a nice smooth canvas to blend my shadows on. Okay, so if you guys have never used Maskcara eyeshadows, you get this cool card. If you can see, it's totally like blurring it out. This eyeshadow diagram card with your order if you order any of our shadows. And it has all of these kind of simple eyeshadow looks that you can do using 3 colors. So a light, a midi, and a deep shadow, okay? So I'm gonna show you guys what I usually do for these, and I'm gonna go a little darker than the lightest that I would probably use so that you can actually see it on my eye on camera, because on the camera doesn't really show colors like they truly do in real life. So today's look is called the wash, okay? I don't know if you can see it on here. The wash, okay? The wash is one color, is the simplest of all of the looks, and it's using a light shadow color. Now you can use any shadow color your heart desires. If you wanna go super basic or just super natural, you can go with a color like Pup, which is almost like the color of my eyelid. In fact, if I put this on, I don't know if you'd be able to tell that I have anything on. Pretty much, this is used to be what I would wear every single day with a wing. This was my go-to. It looked like I wasn't wearing any shadow at all, but it at least covered up my discoloration, and I loved it. So this is Pup. It's a great matte, just basic color. And you saw how quick I did that, right? So, big fluffy brush, okay? Our eyeshadow everything brush, you can do almost every single one of these looks with. Actually, you could do them all with this one brush. It's amazing because it's got a big, fluffy dome side that is perfect for blending and applying. And then it has this smaller, almost like pencil brush. It's got more densely packed bristles, but they're still soft enough to move. And this is amazing for under the eye, outer corner, inside the crease. I mean, the possibilities are endless with this brush. You guys, I even use this brush to line my lips. So you can do a lot. For this look, I'm gonna just use this big fluffy end, and like you saw it, okay? The wash means you literally put a wash of color all over your lid, and that's it. So, really basic, this color, okay? If you want something even lighter than that, you can even go with a light matte color. This is Cupcake, okay? Which might give your eye a little bit more of a pop if it's lighter than your natural skin tone, okay? With this eye, went with my everyday go-to, okay? I wear this literally every day of my life. That's why it's at pan. Basic. It's literally the perfect basic matte brown. And I consider this more of a medium tone, but I put it all over my lid here and it does not look harsh whatsoever, okay? So just fluff it on there, okay? Make sure you're blending out the edges so you don't have a harsh line at the top of your eye. And this brush makes it easy because you just do soft circular motions. And I'm gonna even out my eyes so they're not different. They might look a little different since I had another color on. But you guys, you can do this with pinks, you can do it with purples. We have some great colors like Mama would be really pretty. London, which is a soft purple. I mean, you can do anything with this look, okay? It's really easy and simple, okay? Only thing I say is to make sure you keep it on your eyelid space. So one of the basic rules, even though I don't like to use the term rules when it comes to eyeshadow, because you do what you like, you do what you love, and no one needs to tell you if there's a rule that you can't wear a certain color or anything like that craziness. But general guideline would be to stay within, so if you go from your nostril, corner of your eye, to your brow, okay? You don't want to go outside that line, okay? So you try not to get the color down too far here. And I feel like even I do it all the time, and that's why it's good to be able to go back, blend it out, or if you missed my last video, put your eyes on first. So then you can just take a makeup wipe and go and clean up that edge and buff it out so it's not harsh, and then you'll be good to go. So that was the wash. Super simple, super pretty. Perfect for those days you just want to run out the door, get a little color on your eyes so it looks like you tried and you don't look like you just woke up. At least that's what I do. So hopefully you guys learned something new from this video. Hit that bell and subscribe and get notified and all that jazz so you can know when the next video in this series is going to drop. So hopefully I'll see you guys next time. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.